Huawei Watch Fit 3 Review. In the ever-evolving world of wearable technology, Huawei continues to make significant strides with its impressive lineup of smartwatches. The Huawei Watch Fit 3, the latest addition to the family, is no exception. Combining sleek design, comprehensive fitness tracking, and smart functionality, the Watch Fit 3 aims to cater to a wide range of users, from fitness enthusiasts to busy professionals. Design and build quality. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 boasts a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it incredibly comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. The watch features a rectangular AMOLED display, which offers vibrant colors and sharp resolution, ensuring that all your notifications and fitness stats are easy to read. The screen is also slightly curved at the edges, giving it a premium look and feel that rivals more expensive smartwatches. The watch case is made from durable polymer materials, which keep it lightweight without compromising on durability. The silicone strap is soft and flexible, making it comfortable for all-day wear, whether you're at the gym or in the office. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 comes in a variety of color options, allowing you to choose one that best matches your style. Additionally, the watch is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, making it suitable for swimming and showering, adding to its versatility. Display and user interface. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 features a 1.64-inch AMOLED display, which is bright and vibrant, making it easy to read in all lighting conditions. The high resolution ensures that text and images are sharp, while the wide color gamut makes the watch faces and app icons pop. The touchscreen is highly responsive, allowing for smooth navigation through the watch's menus and apps. Whether you're checking your heart rate, reading a message, or tracking your workout, the display provides a clear and engaging experience. The user interface of the Watch Fit 3 is intuitive and user-friendly. Huawei has designed the interface to be simple and straightforward, making it easy for users of all ages to navigate. Swiping left or right on the home screen lets you access different widgets, such as weather, music controls, and fitness stats. Swiping down opens the Quick Settings menu, while swiping up reveals your notifications. The watch also supports customizable watch faces, allowing you to personalize the look and feel of your device. With a variety of pre-installed options and the ability to download more from the Huawei Health app, you can ensure your watch matches your style and preferences, fitness, and health tracking. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 excels in fitness and health tracking, making it an ideal companion for those looking to stay active and monitor their well-being. The watch comes equipped with a variety of sensors, including an accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate monitor, and SpO2 sensor. These sensors work together to provide comprehensive tracking of your physical activities and health metrics. The watch supports over 90 workout modes, ranging from traditional exercises like running and cycling to more specialized activities like yoga and dance. One of the standout features of the Watch Fit 3 is its advanced heart rate monitoring. The watch uses Huawei's TrueScene TM 4.0 technology to provide accurate and continuous heart rate tracking throughout the day. This data is invaluable for those looking to optimize their workouts and ensure they are training within their target heart rate zones. Smart features and connectivity. Beyond fitness and health tracking, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 offers a range of smart features that enhance its functionality. The watch can receive notifications from your smartphone, including calls, messages, and app alerts. This allows you to stay connected without constantly checking your phone. The watch also includes music controls, so you can play, pause, and skip tracks directly from your wrist. This is particularly useful during workouts, as it lets you control your music without interrupting your exercise. The Watch Fit 3 also supports GPS tracking, allowing you to accurately record outdoor activities like running, cycling, and hiking. The built-in GPS ensures that your routes and distances are precisely tracked, providing you with detailed insights into your performance, battery life, and performance. One of the standout features of the Huawei Watch Fit 3 is its impressive battery life. The watch is equipped with a powerful battery that can last up to 10 days on a single charge, depending on usage. This long battery life ensures that you can wear the watch all day and night without worrying about frequent recharging. Even with continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and GPS usage, the Watch Fit 3 manages to deliver exceptional battery performance. Charging the watch is also quick and convenient. The Watch Fit 3 uses a magnetic charging dock that securely attaches to the back of the device. A full charge takes around 2 hours, ensuring that you can quickly get back to using your watch. Sleep tracking and stress management. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 offers advanced sleep tracking features that help you understand and improve your sleep patterns. Using Huawei's True Sleep TM 2.0 technology, the watch tracks your sleep stages, including light, deep, and REM sleep, as well as your total sleep duration. The watch also provides detailed insights into your sleep quality and offers personalized recommendations to help you achieve better rest. By understanding your sleep patterns, you can make informed changes to your routine and improve your overall health and well-being. In addition to sleep tracking, the Watch Fit 3 includes stress management features that help you stay balanced and relaxed, customization and personalization. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 offers a high level of customization and personalization, allowing you to tailor the watch to your preferences. The watch faces are highly customizable, with a variety of styles and designs available through the Huawei Health app. Whether you prefer a minimalist look, a colorful display, or a watch face that highlights your fitness stats, there are plenty of options to choose from. This level of personalization ensures that your watch reflects your style and meets your needs. Compatibility and app integration. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 is designed to be compatible with a wide range of smartphones, making it a versatile choice for users with different devices. The watch supports both Android and iOS platforms, ensuring that you can enjoy its features regardless of your phone's operating system. Pairing the watch with your smartphone is a simple and straightforward process thanks to the Huawei Health app. The app provides a seamless connection, allowing you to sync your data, customize your watch settings, and access additional features. The Huawei Health app is a powerful tool that enhances the functionality of the Watch Fit 3. Price and value proposition. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 is competitively priced, offering a high level of functionality and performance at an affordable price point. Compared to other smartwatches and fitness trackers in its category, the Watch Fit 3 provides excellent value for money. Its combination of advanced fitness tracking, smart features, long battery life, and stylish design make it a compelling choice for those looking for a versatile and reliable wearable. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.